Here's a 2015 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend explains the new CR-V is exactly what it needs to be. Another heart-of-market people mover that sells hundreds of thousands of copies to buyers who rank fuel economy and versatility above all else. For that, Honda's nailed it again. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Experience it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.